is the meaning of mathematics?
Mathematics is the science of numbers and their operations, interrelations, combinations, and abstraction and of space configurations and their structure, measurement, transformations, and generalizations.
The history of mathematics is almost as old as humanity itself.
Mathematics has been foundation to advances in science, engineering, and philosophy since antiquity. It has developed from simple counting, measurement and calculation, and the systematic study of the shapes and motions of physical objects, by the application of abstraction, imagination, and logic to the broad, complex, and commonly abstract discipline we know today. From the notch bones of early man to the mathematical developments led by settled agriculture in Mesopotamia and Egypt, and the revolutionary advancements of ancient Greece and its Hellenistic empire, the story of mathematics is a long and formidable one.
Let us welcome some of the mathematicians and their contributions.
First, Pythagoras. The most famous result ascribed to Pythagoras is the Pythagorean theorem. For a right triangle, the sum of the squares of the two shorter legs that join to form the right angle is equal to the square of the long side opposite that angle. Second, Archimedes. He was able to estimate the value of pi to a notable precise value and to calculate the area underneath a parabolic curve. He calculated pi and areas under curves by approximating them with straight-edged polygons, adding more and more refined shapes so that he would get closer and closer to the desired value. Third, John Napier. He created one immensely important concept, the logarithm. The logarithm of a number gives us an idea of the order of magnitude of that number. Fourth, Isaac Newton. With Newton's invention of calculus, mathematics was able for the first time to systematically describe how things change across space and time. He developed calculus in the context of developing his theories of physics.
And many more to mention, thanks to our great mathematicians.
And now, let us explore some real-life mathematics. Are you familiar with Fibonacci, fractals, and golden ratio?
Those who are unfamiliar, Fibonacci, real name Leonardo Bonacci, was a mathematician who developed the Fibonacci sequence. The sequence is found by adding the previous two numbers of the sequence together. It looks like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and it goes. Fibonacci sequence is found all throughout nature too. It is a natural occurrence that different things develop based upon the sequence. We can see it in shells, trees, flower pistils, flower petals, leaves, storms, and in you. Yes, you are an example of the beauty of the Fibonacci sequence. The human body has various representations of the Fibonacci sequence proportions, from your face to your ear to your hands and beyond. You have now been proven to be mathematically gorgeous, so go forth and be beautiful. Next, a fractal is a never-ending pattern. Fractals are infinitely complex patterns that are self-similar across different scales. They are created by repeating a simple process over and over in an ongoing feedback loop. Fractal patterns are extremely familiar, since nature is full of fractals. For instance, trees, rivers, coastlines, mountains, clouds, seashells, hurricanes, etc. Lastly, the golden ratio, symbol is the Greek letter P, is a special number approximately equal to 1.618. It appears many times in geometry, art, architecture, and other areas.
There are a lot of uses of mathematics. Mathematics is everywhere.
Practically every career uses math in some way.
Math is essential. Math is beautiful. Math is life.